Okay guys, welcome back again. Today I'm going to make Asian spicy salad using string beans. So if you're in Southeast Asia, they have a different type of string beans that they use. And to be honest, I don't really know the name. Maybe someone who's watching could tell me or could confirm what I don't know. Anyways, it comes and has these ends. I just, wash them and I take them off. In general, when you're making Asian spicy salad or Southeast Asian spicy salad, a lot of families use whatever they want. Cucumber, papayas was the original dish, string beans. I hear people using cabbage or carrots and so forth. So today we're going to use the string beans, just something crunchy and cold. Shallots and garlic, of course, goes in. Thai chilies. Since I eat so spicy, I use habanero as well. And of course, you can always decide how much peppers you want to use and what your heat level is, but that's pretty much about it. Sugar again, I usually do about 2 of these, 1.5. Again, I don't really measure. MSG, fantastic. There we go. Shrimp paste, I've transported my shrimp paste to here. That's about that. And that's it. And there we go. I think this time I'm going to transfer this mortar and pestle to a different location. I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. Just a little easier on a different type of surface instead of a counter. From here, now unlike cucumber or papaya, since these are so large and they pop, I only do a little at a time. Just a handful. It's a little harder, and I'm gonna move again. So if you look really closely, I'm just crushing it, trying to expose the beans. I'll be right back again. Okay. A lot harder than using papaya or cucumber. It exposed some of the seeds that are in the string beans. I thought I wanted to show you guys this. It's kind of neat. These are delicious. I serve this cold, by the way. In fact, if I had my ingredients sitting out too long, I'll actually make the dish and I'll put it back in the fridge because I do like it. I enjoy the dish cold. All right. Now from here, you can add on the more liquid type of items. This time I actually cut the cherry tomatoes in half just because last time I did not cut them and they kind of exploded on you. So I'll do that. The limes. Okay. Fish sauce again. About, I don't know, I suppose probably equivalent to 4 teaspoons maybe. There's several brands of fish sauce, by the way, you could use. You might have to just try until you find the one that you like. And I'm also going to use tamarind paste again. And here you're just trying to maneuver all the ingredients in the mortar pestle around. Trying to get, you know, all the goody stuff from the bottom to come up. Did I just say goody? The good stuff? Oh, the smell of this. It's intense. All right. And as you can tell, I haven't tasted anything, but I've done this so many times, I kind of know what it's going to taste like just by the smell. As well as if I really wanted to change it up, I can add after I've already plated. So again, I usually use a Tupperware only because I never finish all this. I'm just me. And so it just goes in here. You know, and I've considered using a food processor or a blender several times now, but I've come to realize that those tools would just be making it too soft or too liquidy. It doesn't allow for these like big textures of a dish. And mainly because I've read so many good things about ginger. I always garnish it with ginger. I'm not even crazy about ginger itself, but and there you have it.